he always had this mechanical as an evergreen branch. So visibility, you have to participate in such things जहाँ पे उनका reach है. Because keep pushing yourself. You should be prepared for market anytime.
So, welcome to Kittians Unplugged, the show where we pull back the curtains on the journey of our university's most successful graduates. Whether they are revolutionizing industries or carving unconventional path or even launching startups, we are going to understand that how exactly that they did it. So today I'm your host, Tanya Maiti, a second year mechanical engineering student, and I know exactly what goes on inside the mind of a second year student, like what to do, when to do, MATLAB सीखे या Python सीखे या we are so confused that we end up doing nothing. So today we are going to dive deep into these questions with our very inspiring and very beautiful guest, Sambhavi Sinha, who did her BTech in Mechanical Engineering from a renowned KIIT in 2016. And she navigated the world of engineering and then made a massive leap by securing an MBA from very prestigious IIM Calcutta in 2022. And now she's thriving as a senior business consultant at EY. So, Didi, welcome to our podcast. How are you feeling? कैसा चल रहा है
All
सब
good.
कुछ?
First of all, thanks for the very good intro. I mean, oh, that's something I've never heard about myself, but uh, all goody goody words you have used. But then, yes, thank you for inviting me for this podcast. So, very well, very excited. Good to share something with you. Your path and my path can be different, but
Yeah,
I hope it will be useful for you guys.
I'm
So,
sure
yeah.
many students are gonna like relate to your journey. I'm really sure. So,
Like,
आपका कैसा like life चल रहा है? How is the work environment and everything?
okay. Uh, Yeah, let me trace back. It's like almost 9 years since I graduated from KIT. So first, I'll be saying it's very it has been the time has flies like this. And when I now think of about talking about you guys, it feels like, oh, we are really old. It's been like 9 years. But I still remember my roll number. So definitely that's
Yeah.
something which still clicks off. Life has been, I say, full of ups and downs, but quite content with where I am currently. So just got married 2 years back, personal life all
Oh,
settled. Then professional life, exactly not exactly where I thought I would be, but at least I'm enjoying where I am currently. So I'll say life chooses the correct path for you. So just
yeah.
believe it on it. So
So, you are currently like working with EY, right?
yeah.
So, what does your role like involve? I really don't know about it. And when did you join?
Okay. Okay. So I joined EY as part of my campus placement from IMC. Uh, and here I am working as a senior business consultant. Mostly my role involves about revolves around supply chain management. But within supply chain, we have many competencies. So we have sourcing, we have procurement, and then we have planning. My role is mostly on planning. So demand planning, supply planning, inventory optimization. Uh, this has been, I mean, this is something which I actually planned in my mind somewhere that I'll be doing this,
Oh,
but I really didn't know how the path will uncover itself, like how will I reach from being a mechanical engineer to this. But this is where I am, and I think it's somewhere currently after I am like after mechanical engineering, I was at the other side of table, and
yeah.
after I am IMC or doing my management, I'm just seeing those problems and trying to find a solution for the same
Oh,
solutions from the, let's say, second side of table.
okay. So, like, you did mechanical engineering in 2016, and after
Mhm.
that, you did MBA in 2022, if I'm not wrong.
2020, yeah, class of 2023. So 2022, 2023. So 1 year
Yeah.
MBA.
So,
Yeah.
like, full 7 years transition from the world of machines to the world of management, like, how and कब से like, and I want to know कि कब से start हुआ ये सब. And
Okay.
how did like 6 years mein, what did you do? Like how was the journey?
Okay, there's a whole story behind it. Let me
Okay.
get you there. So I joined PH Chrysler Automobile after my placements from mechanical engineering,
Oh,
passing out in 2016. So I joined FCA as a R&D engineer. That's where they recruit most of the people into.
oh,
So it was an office job, mostly laptop job. So you have to work on designing the products, designing the door panels, console. Everything was on the car side. But then within a year, I kind of realized this is not very much aligned to where I would want to work. So my alignment was mostly towards sourcing side, what actually happens on ground, the hands-on experience, the realistic experience which you get when you are, actually sourcing a part or let's say procuring it from somewhere else. The real scene behind that, what goes behind. So that's when I applied for an internal job posting,
oh,
went into a strategic sourcing role. So there I was responsible for supplier negotiation, costing, bringing the part into production, and then I mean everything regarding the plant job, but nothing that was I was working in plant. I was working from R&D office, but still it was something on which you are negotiating. So you do have to go to plants to meet suppliers to understand the process they are applying to get on the parts. So it was something which I could relate to.
okay.
uh, पता नहीं the laptop job was something which I was not very able to relate to कि क्यों हो रहा है. so so that was there.
Exactly.
And yeah, and then उसके बाद I think that's where the journey began. I joined Volvo again as a product finance manager. That was mostly on again vehicle wise. So you see cabin part of trucks, whole costing उसका कैसे होता है, what are the parts getting involved in that. There is again when once you get the part, there is a integration cost. So all those things are there. Uh, I won't use bigger words for you guys to understand, but yes. And then उसके बाद I was thinking, अब क्या? Now what?
Yeah.
Because you have reached there and it can't be a stop to your career. So then I was like, what if I understand कि once what happens in the background once a company decides that we have to bring this product, so what basic business case strategies they go through. And that's sorry, this happened. Okay.
It's fine.
So then the sourcing strategies, I started doing some extra projects while being in my role. I took
Oh,
some initiatives of doing business case strategies. So Volvo was planning for a new initiative, so I got involved in analytics teams to understand क्यों करना है, क्या करना है, what assumptions do we make from the government side, subsidies and all. So that was still from the mechanical engineering perspective. But then I got a call from S&P Global that is more on the insights. So they hired me for automotive supply chain in research team, mostly where you can use all these findings to put into some insights about your client. But within a 3 month instant, I got into MBA, and then I think I could see my let's say unrealistic dream coming into picture.
yeah.
That
Something you
finally
could
I
like really relate to.
yes, that
Yeah.
finally I was putting all my experience from automotive, from sourcing, and now it's more on like how you are, optimizing the solutions for a client,
Okay.
that how they can improve their supply chain. So let's say once I was on the consumer end, now I am someone who can at least help them in becoming more sustainable, more efficient. That's all.
It was like मतलब काफी experience आपको gather करने मिला not only from the engineering perspective but also from like the management perspective too
Yes.
because ground में क्या होता है and all जैसा आपने बोला तो
I
आपको
think it's the let's say continuous hustle which keeps you alive कि आपको करते रहना है कुछ तो you have to learn. So
exactly
I would say that is there. I never I'm a person who never sits at peace at one place. I'm like
oh
इतना monotonous नहीं हो पा रहा है. So
yeah
I need more. So even if let's say I'm sticking to a company, I'll be taking part in some small initiatives जहाँ पे you are assisting your leadership, your directors in doing something. So
so you're
it
always like looking for that betterment and all
हाँ. So I think it's also a personal initiative. So once you are into
हाँ,
working environment, you go and you reach out to them with an open heart saying, I want to contribute in some way. You can give me a data churning job, or you can involve me in any capacity, but just be involved. It kinds of open your minds to new ideas. So
exactly. Like
it's not like,
हम लोग like करेंगे ही नहीं तो हम लोग जानेंगे कैसे? It's like that
हाँ,
kind of thing.
I think as a mechanical engineer ऐसा limited नहीं है. You should not limit yourself in a
हाँ,
box कि यही करना है and I'm recruited for a certain job, so that is where I'm supposed to work day and night. Take out some time to at least learn और बाकी teams क्या कर रही है. Is that interesting? Is there something which I can contribute to? So वो चीज़ काफी help किया मुझे. So
तो दी आपको like on the very first place आपने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग चूज क्यों किया?
oh, that's a funny story. Okay.
Okay, everybody has a very funny story behind this question.
Yeah.
I'll say.
Okay. Mechanical engineer. Not gonna lie here. Wasn't my first choice. It was my father's
Okay,
first choice.
okay,
So yeah. So while I think there was this counseling round going on, right? And we have
yeah,
our own
yeah.
form filling, everything going on.
Hmm.
So I remember I was having this discussion with my father, very heated argument. Okay, I want for CS, and he was like, "Why do you want to go for CS?" And I believe somewhere because my coding was very good in school.
Okay.
So मुझे ये था कि okay, if I'm so good in coding, maybe I'll do wonders in CS and IT. So I was telling my Baba कि नहीं नहीं, we'll go for CS IT. And my father coming from that generation, he
Hmm.
always had this mechanical as an evergreen branch. So CS is in boom right now, might not be in boom later. What if it goes? At least mechanical will keep you on your grounds, at least with jobs. So that was something which I wrote, and I just put one as mechanical, second as CS.
That's-
I went through, and then it went through all, and then I was like, okay, mechanical. I'll take mechanical, and also we had this that first year the subjects are similar, right?
हाँ,
So you have this key, okay, I'll take for 1 year for mechanical, I'll go through it, same subjects hai. नहीं हुआ तो then I'll see if after 1 year
हाँ.
I want to go for CS. So that was still in my mind कि अरे मैं तो कर
Hmm.
लूंगी, I'll change something. So that happened, and yes, but now when I look back, I see there is a saying, right? जो होता है अच्छे के लिए
अच्छे
होता
के
है
लिए होता है.
somehow. Yeah, so at least I'm satisfied with the path, what I chose for myself. Somewhere it landed me in a good space. So, all good ways.
So like at the end of the day, पापा का बात सही रहा. Because IT is not doing really well now. So
Yes.
so no,
And
yeah.
IT में मतलब somewhere I feel पता नहीं मैं बोर हो जाती, but I won't
हाँ,
say.
फिर आप फिर से इधर से फिर उधर मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग करने लग जाते फिर.
हाँ मतलब it's like if I had been same into programming कब तक, I mean it's like I'm not sure, I cannot get into the heads of IT engineers. I don't know what they are going through, but as for speaking for my own aspect, I feel IT would have burned me out at some point of life. I would have been just like, इससे ज़्यादा I cannot use. But at least I think the scope is quite wider with
Yeah.
what I chose. So बहुत सारे fields हैं. Within, I think, industry also, if you go, there are numerous fields to choose from.
Okay. तो लाइक अभी तो जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं कि यू वर आल्सो fascinated by CSE and all. Till now, everybody is very much fascinated about CSE. Like CSE is another rat race going on in college only. So, what is your opinion about it? कि what do you think कि सब तो ऐसे CSE कर रहे हैं and core branches में like आ नहीं रहे कोई. And how do you want to like say कि core branch is such a versatile stream, but still people are not coming. So any message to them?
Okay, if you have heard more about IoT, I think people would have more heard about the growing growth in sustainability also. So
Yeah.
right now, if you see, most of the industries are focusing mostly on sustainability aspect, and oh God, let me say ECG factor for most of the consulting as well is on priority. They do have
Okay.
some KPIs, some percentage which they want to invest in ECG projects. So th- that, if you see from that perspective, I think mechanical is something, which offers tactical, traditional engineering with technology. And truly
हाँ.
saying, abhi bhi, if you go for consulting companies, they don't want. I mean, they have two fields basically. If I have to define there, so there are two major, let's say, divisions. One is tech consulting, which is mostly about IT guys working on tools and everything, and then there is business consulting. Business consulting requires you to know domain knowledge.
Hmm.
So let's say if you're going to work for an automotive client, or you're going to work for a manufacturing client,
Hmm.
or not being the insider, but you want to be like, say, उनकी supply chain पे आप काम कर रहे हो. Coming from my experience, I'm saying, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो क्या problem face कर रहे हैं. And how will you know that? You'll know
Hmm.
that only when you have worked in that scenario. So if you want to move towards something which is domain based, which is you understanding the core of problem and then giving solutions, that's where I think mechanical gives you a very
Yeah.
strong foundation. ऑल्सो सस्टेनेबिलिटी अभी जहाँ ग्रो कर रहा है, आई थिंक बाद में और ग्रो करेगा, और वहां पे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स का बहुत डिमांड है. सो
हाँ, exactly.
अगेन,
Because
सो
mechanical engineering is just not limited to factories only. जैसे 20
करेक्ट.
साल
आई
या
थिंक देयर इज अ
30
प्री
साल
कंसीव्ड
पहले था.
नोशन कि मैकेनिकल इज ओनली अ ब्लू कॉलर जॉब. नहीं,
No,
it's not.
exactly.
It's not. I am telling you, with like all my friends who were into core companies, they are doing excellent in their career. I think some of them have moved to US, UK. They're all doing good. They did MS, still part of an automotive company, still holding on to good positions. So I don't see it like manufacturing is always about plant factory. No, no. I think
Hmm.
it also gives you a very good perspective to look from office corporate kind of view. I mean, because I think हमारे टाइम पे जितने लोग भी थे, आई थिंक एवरीवन जॉइन फ्रॉम लाइक द कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस. सो
Hmm.
coming from that notion कि नहीं plant में ही जाना, and I'm telling you, even if you go for a plant, you are hired for a purchase team जो plant में ही काम कर रही है, there also the exposure that you have, the knowledge which you carry stays long time. I mean, and that even if I meet someone from plant today, my knowledge with regard to production system, or to how the whole production is carried out, what there are several assembly lines. So flexible assembly line आता है, उसमें क्या exactly कौन से, I can say you on a theoretical part, but a person who has worked there in the plant, उनको पता होता है
Hmm.
ये चीज. And they can
Groundwork
be
is always like
always good, and they
always
can be
good.
a very good managers, very good consultants, very good entrepreneurs in future, because उनको पता है कि
Hmm.
रियल प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे आ रही है एंड सॉल्यूशन कहाँ पे आ रही है. I won't say anything wrong about CS or IT, but then I think CS and IT kinds of keep you in a box. आपका दिमाग प्रोग्रामिंग में चल रहा है, and that too I think there are few certain fields which are very specific to CS and IT. अगर आप डेवलपर हो, आई थिंक मेरी aspires to be a developer, because developer में
Yeah.
you get a very good career कि
हाँ.
you have seen people in your family, you have seen people in your alumni network that who have done good. So that is
Hmm.
like, oh, मैं भी ये करूंगा, मैं भी आ जाऊंगा, that is there. But I think उसके अलावा, from a personal point, I feel industry job में there is various fields. There is R&D, there is design. I mean, there is testing part जब आप देखते हो कि validation, vehicle validation है या नहीं. Then there is again sourcing, purchase, supply chain, planning. There is a whole lot of
Hmm.
small fields which are in there. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक बार कहीं घुस जाओ, यू कैन नॉट मूव आउट, यू कैन नॉट गो टू एनी अदर. आप जाओगे, एंड दैट इज समवेयर आई थिंक इतना है ना कि आपकी उम्र निकल जाएगी टू
हाँ.
कीप लर्निंग एवरी फील्ड.
Exactly. वेरी लाइक एग्जैक्टली जो मैं लाइक ऐसे बहुत जन ही सोचते हैं कि मैकेनिकल से कुछ नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं होगा, बट एक्चुअली मैकेनिकल से होगा. लाइक कोर कंपनीज में, लाइक कोर ब्रांचेस में इफ यू एंटर, लाइक देयर आर स्कोप एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्कोप्स एज कम्पेयर टू द आईटी वन. तो एग्जैक्टली.
हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर यू देयर इन योर बैच? आई फील
इन
इट्स वेरी लेस.
नॉट मच एक्चुअली, 20. वो भी
स्टिल गुड.
एरोस्पेस वो सब मिला के. आई नो लाइक देयर वाज वन सीनियर लिविंग इन माय फ्लैट, लिविंग इन माय हॉस्टल. तो वो बोल रही थी कि हमारे बैच में देयर वाज जस्ट वन गर्ल इन द होल मैकेनिकल बैच. Just
तो
one
हमारे
girl.
में ऐसे नहीं था. Oh, for a change, I'll tell you, 2016 batch was a rare. We had somewhere around 60 girls.
Oh,
Yeah. So I think it was 60 from a batch of 480, if I remember. So there
oh,
was somewhere 6 to 7 sections. But oh,
six to
what a
seven
batch.
sections.
Yeah. There was like M1, M2, M3, and then till M6, M7. So
Oh,
I feel, if I remember, I'm not sure if I'm correct here, but yes. And out of that, there were 60 girls. So it was a rare, and I think it has still been a rare
yeah.
batch.
सबसे rare. Nobody can cross that. I don't think so, at least.
Oh.
So, like looking back, मतलब आप जैसे बोले कि आपको अभी भी अपना रोल नंबर याद है. तो, the first day you entered workshop or like fluid mechanics lab, like how was your experience? Any fun story to tell? Like,
Oh, lab, yes. Yeah, their lab, we had this. I think there was this first workshop where they take you to where you're moving this chucky wala part. So you have lathe machines, and then you're
yeah,
making
yeah,
something out of that.
yeah,
Okay. And so there's a rule, right? You cannot wear dupatta
no, no, you
in
have to
lab
wear that coat and you have to come
coat.
with sneakers.
Ha, correct.
Huh.
So that was there, and people really scared us in the first class. Ki, dupatta फंस जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा, उंगली कट जाएगा. So all those I mean, the fear was there because we never ran a machine in our house, right? कभी नहीं ऐसा exposure
हाँ,
नहीं मिलता है
वही.
कि आप machine चला रहे हो.
कभी
So
भी हैक्सॉ पकड़ के खुद ही मेटल नहीं काटने बैठ गए थे घर
नहीं
पे
काट
तो.
रहे हो, correct. But then that was a very unique experience, I would say. I mean, uh, to और now when you think, no, it makes you feel that was those little products. अगर अभी आप किसी इंडस्ट्री में हो, आप बड़े प्रोडक्ट्स देख रहे हो, but
Hmm.
where does that start? It started from there. You made those
Yeah.
little products. छोटा छोटा कुछ कुछ था. There was a
There
box
were
which you
these
have to mount.
welding you have to do
Yeah,
and
yeah.
fitting.
So I think, yeah, all the steel and all things, right? Those are,
Yeah.
I think, remember. So all those things were there. But then I also feel that I mean, it's all nostalgia. It's all good, but then it gives you kinds of good feeling inside that you're making something, and you
Yeah.
carry that product with you to your hostel.
Yes, we can. फिर हम लोग like my roommates are basically from electronics. So like I show them because this year like this semester we had to make a gas stove like
Oh wow.
from scratch. So we did welding, we did cutting and everything and all. It was a very fun experience. And in our hostel they didn't even allow the gas stove to like to take मतलब रूम में लाने ही नहीं दिए.
You
They
आग लग
thought
जाएगी.
हाँ पता नहीं हम लोग को लाने ही नहीं दिया हम लोग को सुपरिंटेंडेंट के ऑफिस में बुला लिए कि गैस स्टोव तो अलाउड नहीं है तुम जाओ अभी टीचर से लिखवा के लाओ. I was like
But
what
that's
like
your baby. Where would you carry it? You'll take it to your home.
exactly. So we had to keep it in like the वो वार्डन के रूम में एंड देयर वी कलर्ड इट. उसके बाद हम
Uh,
लोग फिर से लेके गए तो काफी काफी कुछ हो गया उसमें. तो यही सब. और लाइक
nice.
आप हॉस्टल में थे कि लाइक नॉर्मल
Hostel. We were
हॉस्टल.
in QC2.
ओ QC2 लाइक ऑपोजिट कैंपस 6 राइट.
Yeah, एकदम सामने
हाँ
वाला.
एकदम सामने वाला. तो कैसा था आपका हॉस्टल लाइफ?
Oh, it was fun. I'll tell you. Oh, I have one very funny yet yeah I wouldn't say it should encourage you guys to do something like that. But so first semester, if you remember, right, there's this the wardens are very strict. They don't allow
ओ
you to go
हाँ
out.
हाँ.
Abhi, I don't know how it has changed,
No,
but
no, the first weeks are on like that only. वार्डन के
so it
हाथ पकड़
was
के you have to go out and all.
so they will leave you till classes and then form a
हाँ
line, come back all the way. Oh
exactly.
god. So this was there, and we all come with this, pre feeling, earlier feeling कि अरे यार कॉलेज जाना है, मजे करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, and then you come to college and then you are packed in a room,
Yeah,
and then everywhere you go, the warden will go with you. so
exactly.
so that was so suffocating for us. I think it was nearly 3 4 weeks. Okay, first ऐसे ही चल रहा था, and we all were craving गोलगप्पा कि कुछ अच्छा खाना है, ठीक है, मतलब बाहर नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं ये लोग. तो सबको था यार कुछ तो अच्छा खा के आते हैं, बाहर का स्टॉल रहता है, कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है. सो there were five of us, so the core gang which we had.
Yeah.
So five of us planned कि आज hostel से भागना है. And I don't know how we ran. Oh God, we went to a lab. Okay, I don't know if you are publishing this on social media. पता नहीं मेरे को hostel वाले मारेंगे कि tips दे रही है.
अभी वार्डन लोग देख के अभी ये सब से सीख
और
लेंगे.
so this was like कि we went to chemistry lab.
Okay.
मस्त कॉलेज वाले में गए. उसके बाद हम केमिस्ट्री लैब से निकल गए. नो वन सॉ अस. ठीक है, हम आराम से, आई थिंक देयर वाज दिस कार्ड पीछे वाला रास्ता, आई थिंक दिस कार्ड गोड़ी, राइट. वो
हाँ हाँ
कैंपस
हाँ.
होते हुए वी जस्ट मेड आउट. बट वी वर स्कैर्ड बिकॉज सलवार सूट इज देयर एंड एवरीवन नो सलवार सूट फर्स्ट ईयर पहनते हैं. सो
ओह अच्छा.
तो हमारी उसमें भी थोड़ी लगी हुई थी कि अरे यार हाउ टू गो देयर. बट देन वी वेंट स्ट्रेट टुवर्ड्स गुपचुप वाला विच सिट्स राइट ऑपोजिट देयर सीसीडी, राइट. तो
Yeah.
उसके सामने एंड वी जस्ट हैड आवर गुपचुप. ठीक है, आराम से वी हैड. थोड़ा देर बाद वी आर सीइंग देयर इज अ गर्ल विथ whom नानी इज फॉलोइंग अप, और वो कहीं तो अपना जूता चप्पल ठीक करवाने जा रही थी एंड इट वाज जस्ट
Oh.
ऑपोजिट. सो दैट नानी जस्ट टर्न हियर एंड हमारा ऐसे आई कांटेक्ट हुआ. And we were like shit, अब क्या करते हैं. And out of that fear, so there was this up and down, let's say ground level, right. There was this footpath and then there was
Okay.
some gap.
Okay.
My leg kind of twisted, so I almost broke my ankle. Still, the fear was so bad that with it broken, because उस टाइम रियलाइज नहीं होता है क्या
हाँ,
पता है
इस टाइम रियलाइज
like
नहीं होता.
क्या
इस
क्या
टाइम तो
कुछ तो
वार्डन
है.
पीछे पड़ी है, रियलाइज कैसे होगा?
So you just run. We were like कि, oh shit, अब ये पक्का हॉस्पिटल जाके चेक करने वाली है.
Hmm.
So we ran towards the dental and we had a friend in dental. I changed my clothes just to make sure कि वार्डन मेरे को पहचाने ना कि ये वही लड़की थी जो वहाँ पे गिरी थी. And I changed my clothes. I came back to hostel before the warden came. See,
Oh.
I was in such a speed कि with that broken leg, और मैं वहाँ पे आई और मैं बस सो गई है, like nothing
हाँ.
happened. This was
Very
fun.
nice.
She couldn't catch us, but for the whole month she was like, I know तुम
Hmm.
वही हो, I know तुम वही हो, and the whole
ऐसे
batch
पूरा
was like,
टारगेट ही बना के रख देते कि ऐसा
this
कोई
is
तो चोरी ही कर लिया ऐसे.
oh god, and the whole batch was like कैसे टूटा पैर, and I was like
हाँ.
क्या कहानी बताऊँ मैं इनको. Like it's so embarrassing yet funny.
Okay. So, like, or like, did you very involved in any like क्या बोलते हैं clubs or societies?
There was this quiz society I used to participate. I don't know what it is name. I forgot the name. I think it's Qtopia, something like that.
Oh, हाँ. I
Uh,
know. I forgot the name too.
and then there is automotive society. There was, so we
हाँ.
made this electric bike.
Okay.
Couldn't function more, but then at least we were successful in making that, fabricating that, everything, engaging the, I mean, engines and everything, connecting wires, all that was done. So it ran for a quite few, let's say, meters, and then it failed. But then
Oh.
at least it ran. So that was an achievement for us. कि कुछ तो किया हमने. So this was the two societies which I was there, and then I used to mostly participate in all this KitSat and events. So
Oh.
volunteer coordinator, been through all this, I think 2-3 years. So that was there. Yeah. So I used to do all this, and then there was this NSS. So उसमें एक बार दो बार I participated.
Even I'm in NSS. Even I'm in NSS.
So you keep on doing this stuff, like everything, and I think it's good because career-wise, भी ना, you can't limit yourself to only studies. You have to do all these things because office maybe it's not only your visibility of doing work. It's like how involved are you in other things. So the leadership doesn't know कि आप ground level पे क्या काम कर रहे हो, उनको नहीं पता है.
Exactly.
तो if you have to build your visibility, you have to participate in such things जहाँ पे उनका reach है. So it's just about, that's where it all came from college से कि अच्छा इसमें भी participate करना है, इसमें भी participate करना है, and then in job also I was like अच्छा ये भी करना है, वो
हाँ,
भी
ये भी
करना है.
करना है, वो भी करना है. I was like, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ही था आपसे कि like how soft skills plus technical skills both are important for like from the career perspective. So,
Mhm. Uh, Technical, I would say, ठीक है, you will be all, I mean, almost taught in college also कि CAT या AutoCAD will be there. So that is there because it somehow relates to if you are going into an R&D engineer or developing some products, some parts of a vehicle. If it's automotive, or let's say if it's a manufacturing industry, so still understanding the product will make it easier. So that is technical aspects. But then also, it is always good to have some kind of, let's say, I won't say pure coding, but you guys might be good at macros and everything, right? Excel, VBA, macro. नहीं है तो with time you will learn. ठीक है, these are
Okay.
visual basics, programming language, so it's a very small, easy to learn. You can learn that, and थोड़ा बहुत वो आना चाहिए because that makes you help good in all those tools, right? MS Excel and everything
हाँ.
जो हर company में चाहिए होता है. So it's the basic
Hmm.
tools which are required in every company, whether you join an IT firm or whether you join a manufacturing firm. So there it is. And soft skill wise, I think communication, the whole idea of how you articulate your thoughts, that is important. Uh, Networking, I won't say much is there, but then yes, you have to always try to come out of your, if you are an
Comfort
introvert,
zone.
हाँ थोड़ा
Comfort
introvert
zone.
अगर है तो
Hmm.
आप अपना box तोड़ के you have to try to get out of this, because keep pushing yourself. Doesn't have to
Hmm.
be an over extrovert in everything, but then speak where you want to speak, put your ideas up front. uh, that should be there. I think that somehow creates a visibility of yours in front of everyone who wants to, even the recruiter. If placement, maybe if the recruiter is there and he sees that urge in you of asking questions, trying to understand things, or at least crossing him if where you feel this is not correct, it's a good impression, I would say, because no one wants a person जिसको बस काम दिया जा रहा है और वो कर रहा है.
Hmm.
A true
Of
leader
course.
will want someone who
Who
is
is out of the box? Who will think out
challenging
of the
them
box?
also to think, huh?
Yeah.
Who's challenging them also to think something which they might have missed it. So if you are adding a brain to it, let's say two brains working together, it's good for them rather than one
Hmm.
brain telling the other brain to do something.
True. तो जैसे आपने बताया कि लाइक सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी इम्पोर्टेंट है प्लस टेक्निकल स्किल्स अब टेक्निकल स्किल्स में वी आर वेरी कंफ्यूज कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें प्लस कहाँ से लाइक प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें या कहाँ से इंटर्नशिप्स मिलेगा इंटर्नशिप के लिए व्हाट स्किल्स डू वी नीड क्या स्किल सेट हम लोग को सीवी में रखना चाहिए तो आई
I'm
डोंट
not
नो
sure if college maybe internships का क्या scenario, how they work now. Might have changed in the last 9 years, but for me, I think I did my second year internship in HEC. So if you have
ओह
any, let's say, contacts, friends who have, or maybe you can apply through some colleagues. Abhi to LinkedIn is so much on hype that you can
हाँ
just reach
लिंक्डइन
out to some.
इंटर्नशाला
Yeah. So those are the good platforms. We are not exposed to those platforms at that time so much. LinkedIn was there, but bare minimum use.
हाँ उतना
So
लार्ज स्केल में था नहीं
correct.
बेसिकली
So now at least you have those good platforms, so you can utilize that for reaching out to people, expressing your interest in some internships. Cold calling, it is called in management language. So just get involved in cold calling. Reach out to everyone you want. No one is going to judge you. Don't be in the influence that a person will be judging you for sending a cold mail. No, reach out. Like explore how many you can. Just send 20, 30 mails, whatever you want to go for, and try your luck. I think somewhere something will turn out to be good, and I have seen people responding to numerous reach outs. So somewhere something will grab their attention and they'll come back to you. So that is one way of doing it, and that is something which I would say, if you don't have any connections, that is something which you can try. But then if you have some connections, you have your family, your relatives, your father's friend somewhere who is working in some any of these industry areas, try to get an internship with them, because they do offer internships. So I think we had a lot of friends who worked in Mekon and then SAIL, even Vizag steel plants. So there are some steel plants which do offer. So you can reach out to any of these people, uh, try finding a connection, try building a network, and then ask for internship. Because I think 2-3 महीने का period होता है, right? Internship
हाँ
वाला.
3 महीने
हाँ, so that is sufficient for an internship for any company. They do offer that.
ओके एंड उसके बाद लाइक एनी स्किल्स मतलब पाइथन मैटलैब ऐसा कुछ वी शुड लर्न दो वी आर इन मैकेनिकल बट इन इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी कोर्सेज
नहीं
should be
बिल्कुल आई
learning?
थिंक एग्जैक्टली यू कैन नॉट लिमिट योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल तक तो यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर मार्केट एनी टाइम तो अगर मार्केट उधर जा रहा है यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड दैट यू कैन ऐड सम स्किल्स देयर एंड go there so rather than restricting yourself to only one skill कि बस industrially work आ रहा है नहीं and MATLAB and Python, I think both are in excellent uses currently. Parse query, all these things like parse query, MATLAB,
Mm.
Python, R, these are some
Oh,
things which are really good and I've seen a lot of companies recruiting around this and they have considered these as a very key skill. So even if you learn, I think if you get time and you learn any of these, it will just add up to your good skills. So do not refrain from that. Just you can go for any of these because I think all are in demand. So that's good.
going back in time, like, do you want to, ऐसा कोई faculty member है जो आपको like बहुत ज़्यादा help किए and you're really grateful to him or her?
I think all were there, but मेरे को ना ऐसा I don't remember names as in such. Might be quite bad at names, but I'll say Rishitosh sir is there. I when you reached out to me
हाँ.
saying he recommended you my name, I was like, oh my god, he still remembered me. So maybe because we were the first batch he taught. So
Oh.
yeah, I think he came not first batch, but हमारे batch के time पे ही वो आए थे. He taught class seniors also, but then we were there. So and he was really good. I mean, he's quite friendly. He understands your. I mean, you can just talk random things with him about career, about this, क्या करना है, नहीं करना है. I think even when I was going for, I was kind of confused between MBA and MS. I reached out to him just ऐसे ही कि अरे सर सोच रही हूँ ये करना है. So
Oh.
you can talk about those things, and then I think there is one sir, Sneha C sir. He's from placement, I think. So
Oh.
not sure if he's still there. He used to reach out to me every year whenever there used to be a placement and Fiat used to go for placement. So he used to be like, हमको इस बार guidance चाहिए, help करो इनका. So I think all those guys are there. So yeah, I do remember some of them. Maybe not all of them, but then yes, it was good. It was one sir who used to call me Sambhavani. He just changed my name. I don't remember the
Oh.
name. He used to teach us CS in first year. I mean computer
Okay.
science. So but then still good because yeah, he really at least he learned my name in a different way, but he remembered my name.
वही बड़ी बात है. He's remembering वही. So,
Correct.
lastly, like any advice you want to give us, मतलब where you were in our seat back in 2016, तो कोई advice देना चाहते हैं आप?
Okay. See, I think being a second year student, it's okay to be slightly scared, slightly unsure of what future holds for you. It's good. I would say don't ponder over it a lot. Don't give it so much of thought that you are just trapped in your own thoughts. No, try to explore जो भी opportunity you are getting. Uh, my third year internship was not like say technical, but I just got into a chalk studio. There is a some edtech platform. They make something around
Hmm.
MTech ed materials, education materials. So that was very rare for me. But then that somehow prepared me for my let's say MBA. That I'll say that sowed that seed in my mind of doing an MBA somewhere. So everything which will unfold around you will lead you to a path, will make your path, of where you're supposed to be. Only thing you can do from your uh, own self is you just have to be explorative. You just have to be keep exploring good
That
opportunities.
hunger of learning, that's the
Exactly.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो वो खुद से आना चाहिए. Because more than any company, you are your own brand. पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कर रहे हो आप अपनी तो आपको खुद को इतना अच्छा बनाना है और इतना अपस्किल बनाना है कि यू कैन लेट्स से बी a good asset for any company and a company would want to hire you. So is I think that is somewhere and there is no limitation of what you can learn. Time मिल रहा है तो you can learn anything. uh, I wouldn't say मैं इतनी studious नहीं थी. I was not never a very top ranker नहीं हूँ मैं. I was just I think above average, but not a top 3 4 ranker. नहीं, but ठीक है, I was good, I would say. But I had that hunger, I had this, so I think that helped me. That would help anyone. It will help you guys as well. Also, let's say, do not take mechanical like कि अरे मैकेनिकल है तो क्या कर लेंगे, नहीं. मैकेनिकल में आई थिंक आईटी कंपनीज तो हायर करेंगी, ठीक है, दे डू कम,
Hmm.
but it also gives you a platform to apply for core companies, which is the
Yeah.
bonus. You're not seeing that कि आपको एक बोनस भी है, आप इन कोर में भी जा रहे हो, आप आईटी में भी जा रहे हो जहाँ हर कोई जा रहा है.
हाँ, exactly.
करेक्ट. तो इट्स नॉट कि आपको कुछ, देयर इज नो लॉस इन दैट, देयर इज ओनली pluses which you have to count in mechanical. तो see it from that angle. I was quite okay with my placement कि अगर मेरा आईटी में भी होता है तो भी मैं कर लूंगी, मैं मैकेनिकल में भी जाऊंगी तो भी मैं कर लूंगी. At the end दोनों में placement हुआ and then I chose mechanical. But it was like you have to have this open mindedness to explore your career rather than exploring, and that confidence within yourself कि मैं जहाँ भी रहूंगी I will do something good for myself. So that will make you, because आप ऐसे सर पे हाथ रख के बैठ सकते हो कि अरे यार कहाँ फंस गए, नहीं हो रहा है कुछ, बट
हाँ,
देन
ख्याली पुलाव बना के कुछ होगा
हाँ
नहीं.
एग्जैक्टली.
Exactly. We need to keep going, like whatever opportunities we are getting, we need to make good use of it.
करेक्ट.
And the hunger of learning takes you a long path, जो मैंने समझा.
यस.
So with this, we end this podcast. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
थैंक्स डैनियल.
And I feel very honored to be in this podcast with you.